Hello there and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions of the Logitech Z150 stereo speakers. So yeah, here they are here. They certainly look nice on the box, and yeah, so if we just have a look on the front here at the various information. So we've got down here that they're the #1 selling PC speaker brand, so presumably that's worldwide. So yeah, that's quite interesting, I guess. And yeah, we've got a clear stereo sound. Just says up there the maximum output from these is 6 watts, which yeah isn't a lot in terms of audio, so it'll be interesting to see what that is like. And yeah, we've got a simple setup, and yeah, obviously just the Logitech logo there. So yeah, here's what they look like. So we've just got like a vent underneath, I guess, for sort of looks, and we've got the main volume dial and headphone socket, and also by the looks of it a aux in as well. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Same sort of information all around the box really, nothing else to show there. So yeah, here's the box, so let's get into it. So I've got my trusty knife here and let's get into it. So just cut this like that and see what we get in the box. Okay, so the first thing we see here is a sort of simple setup guide. So it's just got there, hook them into mains power, hook in your audio cable, and yeah, you can hook up headphones if you need to. And yeah, so relatively simple for ease of use on there, so that's quite cool. And opening the box up, we have the main AC adapter, so that's in the middle here, and yeah, that's quite nice. This outputs 5 volts at 0.8 amps and it uses 4 watts. So yeah, that's that there. It is nice and small, which is ideal really. So yeah, it's quite nice. I'm not sure how long the wire is on this, but what I'll do, I'll measure it out, so I'll leave a measurement on the screen so you can see how long that cable is. But yeah, that's your AC adapter for connecting up to the mains. And also in here we get the warranty information in pretty much every language under the sun. So yeah, that's your warranty info there. Probably worthwhile keeping hold on that. And here we have just another read manual, use and safety guidelines there. And yeah, and here we have the 2 speakers themselves. So yeah, I assume they're sort of wired into each other. So let's just have a look. A little cardboard in the middle to hold them in. And yeah, let's get the speakers out. Okay, so they're the speakers there. See if we get anything else in the box. And no, so that's it for the things in the box. So yeah, we'll put the paperwork in here and put this to one side. Okay, right, so here are the speakers themselves. They are a reasonable size, to be fair, which is quite cool. So yeah, let's just get them out the wrapping paper stuff here, or the wrapping film, shall I say. Yeah, they actually look alright, to be fair. Yeah, so these are relatively inexpensive, so I will leave on screen now the lowest price I can find them for new in the United Kingdom as of the upload time, when this is uploaded. So yeah, I'll leave that on the screen now so you can see roughly how much they are in the UK. And yeah, so let's unwrap the other speaker here. A little bit tough to get into. Okay, let's get the wrapping material out of the way. And here we are. So here are the two speakers themselves. Yeah, so I actually really like them. In fairness, like yeah, for units that are, you know, relatively inexpensive. Yeah, they actually look alright. There's a few little marks and that on the case out the box, which isn't great, but I suppose these are sort of mass made and all that, really. So that is sort of to be expected. But yeah, so these are of course made by Logitech. So hopefully they're relatively good quality. So yeah, so here are the speakers. As I said before, so you've got your headphone jack there, and you've also got a another audio input, so that can be for a mobile phone or, you know, any other media source you might want to plug in. And yeah, and then so you also get your 3.5mm jack here to hook into your laptop or whatever it may be. And yeah, and yeah, what I'll also do, I'll measure this cable out, and I'll put the measurement of the aux cable on the screen now so that you can see that. And I'll also put on the screen now the measurement of the wire in between each of the speakers. So yeah, that's quite useful information, I think. So yeah, I'll add them on screen now. And yeah, so they certainly look the part. They seem relatively well made. That they aren't that heavy, really. They sort of feel mostly hollow inside, but yeah, as I said earlier, they're made by Logitech, so hopefully they are good quality. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to switch them on, listen to some music. I'm not going to show this in the video because obviously, you know, certain songs you can't play on YouTube, and also the microphone on the video camera isn't going to relate to the sound that I can hear, so it would be sort of an unfair thing anyway. So yeah, so I'm just going to set these up, listen to a few songs on them, and yeah, and then once I've done that, I will give you feedback on what I think of them. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Right, okay, so I have just heard what they sound like with a variety of songs, and yeah, I must say I am really impressed. You know, even when you turn the volume right up, normally on the sort of lower end speakers, you do get quite a lot of a distortion as you go up to the higher volume levels. But I must say with these, you know, even with the dance music and all that and sort of house music, the audio remains really clear, to be fair, even on the higher volumes. So yeah, I'm really impressed with them. They haven't got much low end, so that's the sort of lower frequencies. But then again, that is to be expected because obviously they are only small speakers, so the frequency response isn't going to be as wide as perhaps some larger speakers. Although I must say, for the size of the speakers, the audio quality, in my opinion, is fantastic. So these are excellent all-rounders, in my opinion, for just like, you know, standard multimedia use. Yeah, they're absolutely fantastic, and yeah, I'm really impressed. So yeah, that's the Logitech Z150 stereo speakers, and yeah, as I say, I really like them. I think they're fantastic for the money, and yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and yeah, if you can also hit that subscribe button as well, I'd appreciate that as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. So yeah, there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.